Good evening, everybody. Hello, friend. Hello, neighbor. Welcome to Dear Pastor. We apologize for the late start. I'm Dr. Dumas, your host, and I'll be with you until midnight. And we'll take a break. Dear Pastor, I'm Dr. Dumas, your host. On this lovely evening, Tuesday, October 21, 2014. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. Hope you had a grand time yesterday. Some people just went out, especially in the afternoon, and had fun. All right, I tell you what. Let me take a call. Hello.
What's up, dear Pastor? How you doing?
I am trying my best, sir.
It's your boy, Mr. Universe.
Yes, I know the voice.
Okay. I was sick out from one in the past, so I never called you.
You had the what? The chickpea?
No, I never have it. I don't know what was wrong, but just have flu. I'm not gonna. Pastor, some people don't have no chickpea in the pastor. As they feel sick, they say a chickpea, but not me. You understand? Some of them tell me lie.
Well, thanks for telling me, and it's an opportunity to suggest to you that if you haven't got a woman in your life, that you try your best and find one.
Yes.
So that when you're ill,
was the one that the Prime Minister wants, but they come and blast out. And
how you know the Prime Minister wanted him?
Because the Prime Minister declared him, and the former member of Parliament down here said no, he's not supposed to go that way. You understand? The Prime Minister chose him. There was a meeting in Mandeville, and they chose Mr. Michael Erskine for the MP for Central Westmoreland. You understand? So. Well,
you mean that he was chosen to be the candidate?
Yes, the candidate. And he never go down well with a former MP that used to down here.
Oh, well, the former MP would be one person, so it means then that many others agreed with him, eh?
Not really. That wasn't.
No, but you can't say that. Well, you can say it, but I mean, it could not be that way because they vote.
They vote, yes.
Well, the people voted, and Mr. Vaz,
yes,
was chosen.
Yes.
Then it's democratic, eh?
Yes. But I was going with the lawyer, and I vote for the lawyer because I am a delegate.
Yeah, but a good man would go. The majority now is your party.
Yes, my party. So anyone they bring forth, I will vote, and I must vote. You understand, Pastor?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not going to do like some. I'm not going to separate because it's the one party. So just brush off and just get the ball rolling for the big thing coming up. You understand? But it's all good because through the knowing the pastor, I was going for that gentleman. I was on the TV. I'm going the most way. So you know the most pay. Because you know how to, everybody know me. Boy, pastor, you don't go down well with me with them in the pastor. They mock me, then trouble me, pastor. So I was under the liquor. The liquor thing there. They laugh off of me. You can't talk, no one really. You understand, pastor? Even when the TV come, pastor, I hide from the TV because Mr. Universe want to interview you. But tell him, no, I don't want to be on the TV this time. And you know how me enough, pastor. You understand?
Yeah.
You know how me enough. More than all of it, but this trip, I couldn't face it. I could never face the TV on Sunday in the afternoon. You understand? I couldn't face it. But that's how it goes. Yeah. So we just have to just work with who our lovely Prime Minister give to us and who the people choose. Because I know Mr. Vaz, he's a good person. You understand, Pastor?
Yes.
Yeah, man, he's a very good gentleman. I know him very well. And even though he know I wasn't going for him, when I vote and I go over film camp, Pastor, he called me and shake me hand and everything good, Mr. Universe. I say, yeah man, everything blessed. You see me as a pastor, so.
Alright, well let's leave it like that. I'll leave you all go and fight your own issue. You know, my show, as I say, we can do, make a passing comment, but I don't want to go further with this one.
No problem, Pastor. Pick up yourself.
All right.
Say hi to Grandma for me. Say hi to Grandma for me.
I thank you very much, sir. No, I must say hello to Grandma for you.
Yes.
You know better. You have her number. You talk to her all the time. You call her and say hello for yourself.
Yes.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, let me give the numbers. 922-4112, 922-4113, 922-4114, 922-115. And the email address is dumas.theirpastor@gmail.com. That's dumas.theirpastor@gmail.com. And the text line, the text line is 877-1009. Now, you might have observed I did not give the topic. I'll give it now. Listen. Is it proper for a woman who is over 18 years old and, older, over 18, to accept money from, let me start again. Is it proper for a woman 18 and over to accept money from men? To accept money from men with whom they are not having money from men. These men and themselves are not lovers, but the men have offered them money. Is it proper for these women to take the money? Let me take a call, sir. Hello.
Good night, Dr. Dumas. How are you tonight?
I'm doing all right.
Okay, so let me jump on the topic now. You said girls that's 18 years old, right?
18 and over,
Okay. Well,
in other words, they're adults.
Say that again?
In other words, these girls are adults.
Yeah, but, 18 is kind of too young.
No, but they're adults.
Yeah, I understand that.
All right.
18, yeah. I know. Well, I call them little girls. Because an 18-year-old girl, I call her a little girl. Okay? Even though the age of consent, she's over the age of consent, right?
Yes.
Yes, but what I'm saying, for a grown man, you know what I'm saying, to really offer a 18-year-old, female money, well, he can offer the money, but the girl don't have to take it. Even though if it's not sexual, right, if she takes that money, she's leading that man on. Because he's gonna keep offering her money, and one day he's gonna want something else. You know what I'm saying? So I said if a grown man, especially if the man could be your dad, don't take it. Don't take it. You don't have to take it. Don't take the money. You know what I'm saying? Because you're leading that man on. For sooner or later, something is going to happen that, she's going to regret. So I said, even though, a 18, 19-year-old girl, right, an adult, the past age of consent, they're still young girls, man. Come on. Don't take the money from a grown-ass man. Let him go away and find somebody, in his own age bracket, to give money. A 30-year-old girl or a 40-year-old woman, no, not 18 or 19. No, that's way too young for to be taking money from grown-ass men. I disagree with that. Don't take the money. Walk away. Don't take the money because that man is offering the money. He's only setting up that girl for something drastic to happen. Don't take it at all. And that's what I have to say. I'll talk to you later. All right.
All right. Take a break.
I wanted it, planned for it, and I got it by investing in Burrito Money Market Fund. Thought that it would take forever, but I got it much quicker with Burrito Money Market Fund.
Welcome back to Dear Pastor. Kindly remember, the text line is 877-1009. When you're sending me a text, give your first name or your initials and say where you're texting from. Where are you? Let me take another call. But I'll tell you what. May I remind them of the topic? Is it proper for a girl, a woman, over 18, 18 and over, of course, to take money from men with whom they are not having intimate relationships? Let me take a call. Hello? 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 Let's move on. Hello, welcome to Dear Pastor.
How are you?
I am trying my best.
Indeed, you have.
Yeah.
All right, I like the topic.
Thank you.
All right, we don't have to. I disagree with the caller earlier. Because he speaks the way he did primarily because he's looking at things in the wrong, in a bad sense, wherein things will go bad. But a woman accepting money from a man who she's not involved with
intimately,
in an intimate manner, is a common good. Frankly speaking, I mean, we can't take on everybody seriously, intimately, that we will ever meet. And therefore, it doesn't mean that good should be held captive to, the good doing should be held captive to, whether you need personal, etc. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Ultimately. So I am seeing it the opposite, wherein it is quite okay, from my standpoint, seeing that it is done for a good cause. Because frankly, I don't think a woman will accept money from a man if she don't have needs for it. That's how I look at it. Not that things can't go opposite, because either way, it can swing, but it can work out very good, no strings attached, and life goes on nicely. Caller,
the previous caller talked as if the motive of every man is sex.
Yeah.
If he gives a woman money. You know what I mean?
Yes, and that's why I called, because, you know, it would make me a whore. In a sense, because I have given women money that I don't have. Some never ever said, remember to say that. But, you know, so then it can't, you know, we can't, as man, we you know, we can't be held captive. You know, we can't be held captive to cynical thinking. You know, because women will from time to time have need for money. You know, that's how it is, Pastor. Life we have to share. Yeah, you know, there are some women that give men money.
Oh yeah, all the time.
Yeah. So, and she don't mean nothing.
No, not that thing.
Here you go. So it's a good topic, and I'm gonna let others say something.
I'm glad to hear someone from Mandeville, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
And my love to my friend.
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Good, thanks.
Bye-bye. May I take another call? Hello, welcome to Dear Pastor.
Dear Pastor, how are you, sir?
I am trying my very best.
Oh, gosh. Dr. Dumas, good night and on top of the world to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Now, dear Pastor, I was listening to a program today with Cliff Hughes. And I listened one of your regular caller, I think his name is Barry.
Oh, okay.
He make a statement today where, you know, I'm still thinking about it. I don't know if I misinterpret him. But he was saying all the intelligent people of Jamaica and they have no intelligent people leave. I don't know if I misinterpret what he was saying.
Perhaps what you should have done was to try to get on to the program at that time and make your comments there, you know. I mean,
I couldn't get on. I tried, but I couldn't get on.
Oh, you tried?
Yeah, man. So I know him always call your program. So I want to let him know that you have few intelligent people still live in Jamaica.
You have few?
Yeah.
That's what you're saying now?
Yeah.
Few?
Yeah. Good. According to him.
Oh, yeah?
You can say none leave. So I have two questions for him. I don't know if I could use your...
No, you have your radio on?
I went turn down the radio or turn it off.
Turn it off.
I'd like to ask him a few questions. You understand?
Please, that radio, otherwise I'm going to move on.
Yeah. Oh, this sound better, sir?
Turn it off, man.
Yeah, man.
Go ahead.
Yes. For Barry, I would like to ask him the Queen's surname. I know he's listening. The Queen's surname.
Where are you going now?
Pardon me?
Where are you heading for?
I want to, because he said we don't have much intelligent people live in Jamaica. So I want to ask him the Queen's surname and the original names for Sri Lanka. Because he's an intelligent person and we are not intelligent. No more intelligent people live in Jamaica.
Listen to me, man. And when you have the answer, you call back and tell me, yeah?
No, I have the answer, but I want to find out if you know.
Well. Welcome back to Dear Past. I'm Dr. Dumas, your host. Let me take a call, please. Hello.
Hey, Pastor.
Yes, sir. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm trying my best.
Are you back to normal now? You feel better?
I don't know. I don't know about no back to normal, but
Yeah, you're getting there.
Let me give God thanks. You know, the worst thing to do is to complain.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Pastor.
Yeah.
I got something to tell you. I'm going to revisit something. Fidel Castro is alive and well.
But of course, I knew that. What happened?
Time on TV this weekend.
But I don't have to see him on TV. I know he's...
No, but, Pastor, oh my goodness. Some of your callers are really stupid, you know, Pastor. I hate to say this because, you know what, they're full of it. Like, you know, some of them not playing with a full deck at all, Pastor. No, they couple bricks short of a full load. They're not all the way there at all, Pastor.
Is that right?
Yeah, they're not. Some of them will leak out somewhere along the line. They might lose here.
Oh, boy.
I mean, I'm here to back you up because, Pastor, I know your situation, you know. You can't, you're a nice guy, you know. You're a nice person, and you just don't want to tell people nothing, you know. I wish I was like you some of the time. No, but you're good. Like,
is that right?
Oh, man, like, what's his name, some little coolie man from up place.
What's your language, man?
Oh, I never know such a goal on here so fast. Name Richie. Man, he's a nuisance. Richie's a nuisance.
Why do you say that?
He talk a lot of crap where you know not even close to thing, and him claims him one of the most intelligent man that leave Jamaica with him hold a degree from Boston, stuff like he's the only one who went to university. And then when he say the things, he's sure. You know, I'm sure. President Fidel Castro is still alive.
Are you saying that he said he was dead?
Yeah, he said. Yeah, you remember last week him said.
I remember very well, sir.
He said Fidel dead and Fidel buried and holy for stuff, and all you telling him, say, listen, the man is alive. He still can't. He must send you documents to show you that Fidel dead. Why I tell you, Pastor, you got patience.
Well,
really good. Anyway, your topic, you know, Pastor.
All right, let me repeat for the benefit of others too, you know.
Okay.
Is it proper for girls, you know, women, to take money from men with whom they are not having intimate relationships?
Well, Pastor, let me tell you something, you see, Pastor. I don't know how some people think, you know, but from here to wherever me come from and where me live and where me live right now, anywhere me go, my wife know, there's some people just feel confident coming to you and ask you for favors, you know, Pastor, and you know, have to go to bed with them, you know.
True.
Yeah, and if I could retrieve the amount of money I give away to female in my lifetime, I could take a world tour.
Yes?
Yes. People just feel comfortable with people. It's not anybody they're going to go to sometime and say, I need some money to do something, because, you know, they're going to want to take off their panties right away. So, I don't think anything is wrong with it. Some of them, you got to be careful, though, because some of them are very chronic. You know, when it comes to the begging thing.
Well, I didn't say beg.
Or give, you know.
You know, I mean, if a woman is in need and you are convinced that she is in need.
Yes.
And she is 18, 19, 20, whatever. Should she take the money that you're offering her?
Yes, if it's a good cause, you know, she want to do something, you don't need to ask her what she's going to do with the money. But as I say, some of them are real slick doing up, Pastor. You got to be very careful. Pastor, a chick come to me last year one time, you know, and she tell me, say, no, she been asking for money, and but she look good and everything. So I asked her, why you don't go look a job and go to school also? She said she don't have any money to go to school. So I said, what do you want to do? I don't remember what she said she wanted to do. So I said, listen. You know,
most likely she said she wants to do nails.
Something like that.
I know, that's the usual thing anyhow.
Cosmetologist or something.
Yeah.
I said, all right, go find out how much it costs, and I'm gonna give you the money to
take the course.
To pay for the course.
Mm-hmm.
And in a couple of days, she come back fast. She said she went to a place, and this is the price for the thing. So I said, okay, come tomorrow morning, let me and you go down by the place and pay the money. She said, no, you don't have to pay the money. I'll have to pay it. I said, where are you going to get it to pay? I will pay the money for you. You know that's a scam. She's not going to go to no school, Pastor. She just want the money to go fix up nails and fix up hair and all that type of stuff. So you got to be very careful.
Look at that, eh?
Just like that. And Pastor, let me tell you how the real thing goes. If I make a donation for anything, at the end of the year, my accountant is going to ask me, did you make any donation to funeral, sick, school fee for anybody, and you got a receipt? If you have a receipt, Pastor, is a tax write-off, Pastor? So I could say, yes, I made a donation to the church. I made a donation to some worthy cause. And you get back a little for it. Some of these people cannot even get it.
All right. Let's leave it there tonight.
All right, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah, man.
Good.
Do I have another call? Hello?
Hello, good night.
Yes?
How are you doing?
Oh, my little friend.
You're good there, Pastor.
I was about to say my little girlfriend, but I don't know.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Oh, yes. I know. And I hope Fana don't vex. I guess Fana
No. Perhaps someone else, but not Fana.
Well, no. He's good.
No, he's not going to get angry at all.
No. Good sense of humor. Pastor, two things. I hope you had a wonderful weekend.
I did.
Oh, okay.
I did.
And Pastor, just before I get into your topic, you have a listener. She listens to your program every night. She has never called, but I guess she'll call one day. Her name is Miss Gloria Duncan, and she's living in Portmore.
Oh, bless her.
And she listens to your program every night.
I'm so glad to hear that.
Yes, man. Just want to bless her upon, everybody. Anyway, back to your topic now, Pastor. As long as you didn't beg it on somebody, offer something to you, you within yourself as an individual should listen carefully. What the person said, body language and facial expression. And then you can make your, own, get your own idea from what the person is coming off, Because
so a woman must look at the person's, body language?
Yeah, man, facial expression and how he speaks. Because you can detect things from there, you hear? Sometimes some person will offer to help you, dear Pastor, because they know you are in need, and they do it as a way to get to you down the line there. You know how much man have boyfriend I don't know?
Yeah?
Yes. Sometimes some people know you are desperate in help, Pastor, and they come and put a proposal to you, and you might gladly accept it. But probably 6 months down the line, it's a different story. So you need, as a woman, to let the ask first. Is this a genuine help, or it has something in the pipeline down the line? You see, and if he said to you whatever might be something might go on down the line, you within yourself as a female should accept it if you know you don't want to go down that line. Because sometimes we can send wrong signals. So, that's what I strongly believe,
Now, I have observed that the callers are given the impression that the younger ones, it's wrong for the younger women to take the money. But anybody talk about the older women? So hold on.
You don't have a limit. You don't have an age limit, you know.
That's it.
Just about anybody, because people can, you know, people do these things to get to people. Because I remember there was something where a lady she was in need of help. It was publicly anyway. It was on the radio anyway. And first we were calling and proposed to help her. But in the long run, knowing that the woman and her 8 children don't live in her house, they wanted sexual favor. You know, and she didn't go out and say to them that XYZ, John, give me this, I give me that. You know, offer to help this person because you see that this individual is in need. But as I said before, some people tend to use your weakness to get to you. So you as a female now, you need, because you're in a vulnerable situation, so you need not to be greedy.
Yeah.
You understand? And look out for different signs and stop it before it, you know, probably become bizarre, okay?
Yeah.
Yes, but I wouldn't say it's a bad thing because not everybody do something do it because they, you know, have something in the back of their mind or up their sleeve. You have genuine people out there just the same. Like you there, Pastor, and many, many, many more. So why did you pause?
No, but you know what I've endeavored to do? I've endeavored to be a good listener.
Okay.
And sometimes when people don't hear me, they say, Pastor, you're hearing me? Oh, I mean...
Yes. And it's good to listen.
Yeah, but because, let me say this now. Okay, I'll make this comment quickly. I mean, I've been writing for a long time in the newspaper. And you put a letter in the paper and you get some calls from men, you say, man, Lord have mercy.
Boy.
They're all looking. All right, you stay on the line. Don't go away.
You're listening to Power106 FM. The time is now.
Welcome back to Their Pastime, Dr. Dumas. We are talking tonight about this topic. Listen, is it proper for girls, is it for women, to take money from men with whom they are not having intimate relationships? I have a caller online.
Pastor, I wind up the topic, so I'll complete with that. But one little thing before I go, right? When Richie stated that Fidel Castro died, right? I didn't really pay that much attention because I definitely understand where Richie was coming from.
Where was he coming from?
What they said some years ago that the original Fidel died and is a different one. That's what they were saying. You remember that thing there? I'm not sure if it was in the 90s, I think in the early 90s, and they were saying that the original Fidel died. And this is not him. Just like what they did.
Listen, let me tell you, anybody who is following the news and reading and so on would know that Fidel is very much alive. Exactly. But let me tell you, it is my responsibility to allow people to speak on this program as long as they're not being disrespectful. And if you were to say something and I tried to say to correct you and you continue I'm going to leave you alone. You know why? Because people are listening and callers are going to call and say, hey, that man doesn't know what he's saying.
Disseminating wrong.
And that is exactly what happened here.
Right, and that's why I didn't really say anything because I know it in myself that Fidel is well much alive, although his brother is here in our home. But that's why the whole thing with Bin Laden, where some people have the misuse that Bin Laden don't died and the whole saga continues. And honestly, for me, there are certain controversial topics where I don't really try to get involved in. Because it would not end, you know?
That's right. And that's why you see I don't entertain too much comments on religion and politics.
Exactly, because the other night I was telling my half the same thing why you don't indulge in it. Because people have different views and people read differently and some don't read none at all.
Yeah.
You know? But anyway, Pastor, bless up yourself.
And bless you, darling. You keep
and
sweet now.
And safe home.
Thank you.
All the best, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Take another call. Hello.
Good night, my friend.
How you doing?
You can't work between Keisha and me and the next half. You can't work, sir.
You can't work.
No, because she have me and she have the next half. Or it
well, no. She doesn't have me. God knows.
How is everything, my friend?
I am doing fairly well.
Give thanks. I meet a very nice lady today at Meadows. Some of England there. You know your England friend they always call her?
Yes.
All right. And she's such a wonderful human being. Oh, she looks so beautiful, Pastor. No matter what, man, she look heavy.
Canada.
And I want to say, Jane in Chicago is listening to. Yeah, Jane still around, she around kicking them faster.
Oh,
so,
Lord.
you know, me no make a manage. Canada, Chicago link Jane. And this little English lady, I know, is another problem again. I was going to Keisha up on the side again. Me no know it's going to work out. I trouble and bother house, I go on. But me have you for back me up and help me, you know, so we don't have a problem. You know, tonight, me realize, Mr. Universe, I try to pull your leg tonight, you know. Yeah, I try to pull your leg, but you have your head screwing for your body, man, so you know where your head is going, so no problem. I know. You have a nice topic, Pastor.
Thank you.
Very sensitive topic. And, Pastor, you have friends where you can get things. But you see the waste people, them have a problem. So your friend where you can get things, no problem, you don't have to talk about the bed thing. You know, if you have the relationship, we say, boy, you go to bed and ray. You have your good up friend, them. I mean, I have a problem with that. But my problem now is the waste lady them around, especially in the family community. Every minute they come stretch them and stretch them man. And if you farm a fool of yourself, you give what you don't have. You no problem. Can't work so.
Yeah.
No, it can't work so, Pastor. If you can work so. If everybody would take on Gigi King, you will never better off it on a papa. We don't say you can't get people things. But we say with them know say you're free-handed, everybody's trying to use them brain or something to try to go on you. And it can't work, so I tell people straight and plain. Me have friends out there, me have ladies friends out there. When we get things, but it's all about respecting one another. Me have a problem. But some of the ladies them out there, them they deserve nothing at all because everybody's coming with their hands out and stretch them and say you have it. What's like when they hear me parade every night and sister me work on me the rest. Them fees me have it. Can't work so, Pastor. You understand? So that's why I try to show there's a big topic this have tonight. Because these ladies nowadays, them not care about how you get the money, you know. As long as them stretch them and get it from you. And it can't work, so. If some of them that's alright, come and wash one pants for you, or wash one shirt for you, or clean it, it ain't so bad. It wouldn't look bad. At least them do something and them can contribute to something. But them not contribute to nothing. And every time you get up on your stretcher and give them gone, every time, no, it can't work so, Pastor. You have your friend you go to the supermarket and you pick up something or any little thing and say, boy, I can't study my little friend, you know, nothing wrong, and you find that. Because when you buck your toes, the person still there with you. And some them type of friend that we love.
Yeah.
You like friend where you stretch your man forget a thing, and when that they don't know, boom, them turn them back. No, I'm not joining that one, the pastor. Beg you clean and straight. I don't, you know them, the pastor there. People must understand. People have to work hard for them earn, them have to hard for them living, with them deal with it. And you can just take it out and stretch out to everybody, to 10, 20, somebody come, I beg your money. You know it's going to work, so, Pastor. Yeah, work, so. And then when you're not getting them cost you, them say you're mean, them say you're this. It happened to me all the while. Every day it happened to me, Pastor. I'm just shame to tell you that. That's why I say the topic are big. It happened to me every day, especially in my community right now.
The women always cursing you.
Yes, when you don't give them anything, they cost me. And me no make it trouble. Me go what my business, see me? Because if them get the money, they won't have the time for cost me. Because through them they get it, them a cost me. Some people must be fear. Pastor, right now, me can't tell a man, say, me go tell you straight off on the bat. He said, me have a brethren, as a man, and he come and then beg me, I think, me will ease up with him. Because you know what, him a work to him, and we can't buck me toe, and he can't say, boy, so something here. But some of them waste lady out there, you know, it makes sense to give them nothing. Because you know, nothing I get on them. Because if you call them and say, come wash one pants, and then say, them no wash man pants, them no wash man shirt, them no do nothing for man, all them want is creep. Can't work. Me have good ladies friend out there, and the ladies friend them know what me I talk about. Real big man friend them. Me will give them anything, me not have a problem. Because me know me get anything. I'm not talking about sex now.
I understand.
Me not talk about sex like how someone that talk about, boy, me can't get to me have to go to bed. No, me not trying to want them. Me have a good friend out there when me get things. But some of the waste lady, me nah give them sorry. Take a piece of pasta.
All right, and God bless you.
Yeah, man, no problem, Papa. Cool.
Let me take another call, please. Hello.
What's going on, Mr. P?
Hey, man, how are you?
So far, I'm doing good. Huh?
Tell me about the weather.
Well, it's raining now. It's going to rain tomorrow, and it's going to rain the following day. So we have a 3-day... wet weather, you know.
By the way, have they started early voting in New York? In New Jersey, rather?
No, next month is voting.
I know, but you know, in some places they have started to vote already.
No, they do campaign in some...
yes, because in Florida they started yesterday.
In Florida, but not...
Yeah, early voting, yeah.
They're still campaigning and doing their ads and stuff like that, you know. Looking for vote as usual, you know. Yeah, but before I get onto your topic, I heard a man mention Barry, but if you have a second. Oh, you want to go to the break?
Oh, yeah, may I take the break? Thank you.
You're listening to Power 106 FM. The time is now
15 and a half minutes after 10. Welcome back to Dear Pastor. I'm Dr. Dumas, your host. Is it proper for girls? Is it proper for women to take money from men with whom they are not having intimate relationships? Let me take a call. Hello?
Mr. New Jersey.
Yes, all right. So...
I heard a man was mentioning that I was saying that there's no intelligent people live in Jamaica, but you did not listen to the program, but hold on for a second there.
It's all right. I think... are you there? I have a feeling that this caller don't think. I have a feeling that...
Hello.
Yeah,
I wanted you to hear it say that you said...
No, well, play it for me.
Okay, let's give me a second there.
Yes, I'll... the numbers in the studio, 9224 112 9224 113 9224 114 9224 115. And the email address is dumas.theirpastor@gmail.com. And the text line is 877-1009. Are you there?
Yeah, you have a minute right now. Listen.
Mm-hmm. He's having problems. You having problems, man?
It's a V.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted you to listen to the tape when Barry said 100% Jamaican and intelligent, but...
Yeah, well, if you can get it going, you call me back.
No, he's going, you're listening, but he's talking to Cliff Hughes.
No, but I'm not hearing. We can't hear at all.
Oh, they can't hear it. Oh, I'm sorry, I thought you were hearing it. Oh, okay.
No, we can't hear it.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. I'll work on it then.
You working and call me back?
Okay, I'll call her back, yeah.
I would love to hear that. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Let me take another call, please. Hello? Hello? Take it. Hello?
Oh, Honorable Doc.
Hi, how you doing?
All right, number one in the world.
Mm-hmm.
Always be number one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, was the weekend, the long weekend, number one?
Well, I was very busy.
I realized that.
Yeah, I was very busy.
Yeah, man. Well, I'm not complaining too much because, you know, sit down and relax myself and enjoy myself.
Mm-hmm.
Like the butterfly, nothing to do but play. I got to live long day. But number one,
yes,
with the topic here,
mm-hmm.
I have to comment on it. You see, you know, I don't really like to talk what I do.
Mm-hmm.
Because I tell you all the while, I say, my mom, before she passed on, she says, you mustn't talk what you do. Or if you give somebody something to talk over it. Because you come like a cow, give a pail of milk and turn around, take it over.
Mm.
I give, you know, number one. And I don't think about getting.
Mm-hmm.
I don't give to get, you know.
Yes.
And ladies all the while come and ask me something and me give them answer. You don't want nothing from them, number one.
Mm-hmm.
I just give, right? You see the man them who have money, I bribe them and I give them and I talk, they want this and they want that from her. Those men have a low mentality.
Mm-hmm.
And them is no good.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Is that, you know, number one. You know, so I got to truck one day, see? And I saw two ladies. And they look good. They look good. And one was telling the other one, say, you know, say, I come a truck, I come muscle today because my baby sick, you know.
Are you serious?
Yes. As dear as a God, she was talking. And she said, and she look hustle money to carry the baby to the doctor. And I hear, and I catch her, I think it was super effective, you know, and I go carry the window. She don't know me, I don't know her, you know. And I come, I go to her, I say to her, how much for the doctor bill? And she tell me give her the money. And when I give her, I said, well, maybe she might want like a medication too. And I give her extra money. And you know, after that, I see she and her friend, I eat a lunch. So it's like she wouldn't want the money, but... You know, no, what I'm saying, away from, maybe she have the doctor bill still, but the extra. The two of them I eat the lunch, that means that they didn't have the money and them leave them out. She hustle. Right? I mean, what come in on my thought, so when you give somebody something you need, you want something, I want to do something for you. Nobody do nothing for me. Right?
Yeah.
Because I want something to do, I pay and make somebody do it because I have somebody come in and take care of my place and look what I'm going to pay them. Right? Me no go on the street and you know, troop somebody beg or something, you go tell him, so well then, boy, right now, you want to go do something. I'm not in that. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So, it's so I stay number one. You see, I give, you know, so sometimes I go to the supermarket, and when I go in there, and sometimes somebody might, a lady, or with a lady in front of me, even a man I will do it for too, but never really do it for a man. And when she check off, it seems like the bill is more than what the money she have. And she said that someone put back to my thing. I said to her, I said, no. And I said to her, I said, how much more it want? I mean, just give it. Me not rich, you know, number one. Me not have no money, you know. But me can spare a little money still.
Yes.
And you know,
and you have a good heart.
Yes, because you see, me say, number one, my store boss, it never empty. That's why, you know, because I don't know. But Oh, I see life different from plenty people. If somebody beg me something and I don't give them, and I go down the road, you know, come on my thought. You know, so should I give them, you know, maybe them well want it.
Yeah.
Right? And when I give, me not time to go ask them where you do the money, or what you do this or what you do. Me not time for them nonsense them and ask them. Me just give them and go on my ways and them go on them ways. Right? So it's supposed to go number one. Is the truth. And the thing about it again too. They have some men again too. You know, them have a attitude that you see, the only way them can get a woman is to take money and bribe her. Because them not no speech, because you notice if a woman come on the show right now tonight and say, boy, she don't have a man and she want a man, look how much man are calling.
True.
Them, you go up on the street and talk to a woman because say my hands will tell me, say from a little boy, say, you must polite. And me go and say, and okay, who? Me go and see them a woman and me spirit take her and me like her then. And me go and say something to her because me know what to say. But plenty people don't know what to say. Them confused. Me say all police inspector and was the superintendent or something, could be super inspector. And me say her, me go up to her, me say to her, say, soup, you know that, if I didn't know I was going to see, I'd have come it myself and make you lock me up. She said, why the reason why? She said, if you lock me up, maybe you'd have turned me to prison of love. So, some people they don't know what to say to woman. That's why they must beg people get woman for them and them kind of them thing there. They must change them ways and go on a bribe woman and, if you give somebody, you just give. You don't give to get, But if you get to take. Right? But I mean, I don't mean say no bad business.
I understand.
Right? So they must cut out them low mentality thing them have.
All right?
And number one, all right, today was this Cliff Hughes program. And this fella in command and something, it not sound too good what he was saying, number one. And in time me hear him come again, panic, me go turn off my radio, me no want to hear him again, number one. Him talk something we never too nice, like say pure fool and alright, I'm gonna tell you something now, number one. Right now, you see all them rich people, they are foreign, say them rich. Some of them live worse and we out here, Right now, if you go where them say them live and you stranded out one night and you ask them to put you up, they can't put you up,
No, they can't.
They can't. They only miss just a bag of mouth. Because when a man go and come and brag what he have and what he can do, he can't do nothing. He don't have nothing at all. Right? And right now, if you go Canada and you're stranded, me can call my daughter and tell her, say, boy, put up number one for him 2 nights or something.
Yes.
Because she have her own house and she have a guest room. Me now come exalt myself and a shaft.
I understand.
Right, but may I tell you, but some of them who come and brag all the while, them can't, if you go right, well, them can't get a night rest. Right? But what I'm saying now, the 25th of this month, and Saturday come in. But I'm going to try a thing and make a run and leave them Saturday come number one.
All right.
All right. I'm going to listen to the show.
God bless.
Okay.
All right. Let me take another call. 922411225. Hello.
Hi there, Pastor.
Hey, what happened?
Not much. How you doing?
I'm doing all right. Doing well.
How is everybody?
How are you feeling?
I'm okay.
Yeah. Quite concerned about you.
No, are you taking me for somebody else there, Pastor?
It's not you.
But I call you sure regular once in a while.
All right, so it's not Port Modest.
No, I'm come from Hanover.
All right. How are things down there?
Okay. Big up everybody.
Yes.
Mr. Universe, come on here.
Yes, you are the first caller tonight.
And Amos Barry. And everybody. So, I'm here, my lady, to make you up back here.
Make up what?
Make up. All right, and I brought your subject.
Yeah.
Well, pick up all of them.
All right.
All right, and all the best.
And the Lord be with you.
Okay, bye.
Take good care of yourself.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Take a break. Welcome back to Dear Pastor. I'm Dr. Dumas, your host. Let me take a call. Hello. Hello, welcome to Dear Pastor. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, June.
How are you?
Yeah, doing well.
Yeah, good evening to each and every one of you.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Not me wake up for a long time and I listen, but me not hear the ladies them so much.
Yeah?
When me hear mostly guys from me wake up.
That's true.
I know where all the ladies then they know. Anyway, Pastor, you know, me always make me little joke. That is not my business, is then call and that I'm just joking.
No, well, maybe they're tired from yesterday.
They me tired too. What happened yesterday?
No, remember yesterday we celebrated National Heroes Day?
Yes, it was National Heroes Day. I understand. So they were partying maybe.
Uh-huh.
But I work hard yesterday too.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't have any time to party. It was my work weekend. I work every third weekend.
Yes.
Yes, so it was my time to work, so I work. Yes, and your topic now?
Yes. What am I'm saying, is it proper for women to take money from men with whom they are not having intimate relationships?
I thought for myself, I would say no. I don't like that.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's my style. Because most of these men, Pastor, they're talking about they give woman this or they give woman that. Worse if they are married or they have family.
Mm-hmm.
That even make it worse. If you are a friend and they give you, and you're in need outside and they give you $1. Because when these guys talking about they giving woman money and things like that and then give a friend money and things like that. Pastor, I want like $10, I want like $20, they matter about, you know. Because maybe if you say you're broke and then give you $100 and things like that. But otherwise when they start give you big money, it's a motive. It's not what we girls or women think. And sometimes they do that to embarrass you in different areas because sometimes when you're a friend with them and maybe you're in need and they help you, they do it to control you too in a way. That means maybe you are at a place and all of a sudden you meet someone and want to make a friendship with a guy or so, and these guys would embarrass you because they give you money, you know, Pastor. I experienced this with friends, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Remember Jamaica, me I come from to when me poor and I have nothing just like everybody else. Not because to them me can't afford to buy what me want and do the things like that. Me come from the area where all these things happen to, you know, Pastor. So I know that me not take no money from no man when me no want because me know say, me see man beat up woman on the road because them give them money, you know.
Yes.
Yes,
it's true.
Yes, so when me hear this guy talk about give man money, and so then we give you $100, $200 that friend, but when he come over I told that to open at this beer, leave it alone because it's more than that. Anyway, Pastor, you know me no love the long chatting. They have to go work too now. They have 1 week holiday soon again.
Is that right?
So, yes, we have 6-week holiday in a year.
So what are you going to do?
I'm going to Denmark, me and my husband. To Copenhagen.
All right.
Next week. Okay, Pastor, we talk.
All right. God bless you.
Bye.
Mm-hmm. The text line is 877-1009. And the email address is dumas.depastor@gmail.com. Let me take a call. Hello, welcome to the Pastor. Hello.
Hello, Pastor.
Yes.
Philadelphia calling.
Uh-huh.
How is everything?
I'm trying my best to do God. Please, Lord.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
I want to call and talk about Barry today.
All right.
Barry is the dumbest caller that calls your program. He cannot put a sentence together. He cannot complete a sentence. He loves to talk. What happened today on Cliff Hughes' show? You know why did the conversation go that way?
What happened?
He couldn't do the math. He could never do the math, and that's why it goes that way. He said there is 99.9% of intelligent people that leave Jamaica, and only 10% leave intelligent people left in Jamaica. So Cliff, you say, but Barry, that's not hard enough. It's not hard enough. And so, what do you mean? It's only 10% leave. It's only 99.9% left. I said, but Barry, that's not right. You're not doing the math. And Cliff Hughes must have go over with him about a minute before he changes. He don't even understand. Up to now, he do not understand what Cliff Hughes was saying. He said, well, no intelligent people left in Jamaica. All intelligent people is overseas. And if a teacher in Jamaica coming to America, they can make $250,000 US. I say, what? Which I don't know which world he live in. Who gonna pay any teacher $250,000 in the US?
No, it doesn't work.
And this is how the guy run off his mouth and talk. People should not even consider Barry as a substance of talking. The guy on the show, he talk a whole lot of stupidness and talking about people in Jamaica. He don't even come to Jamaica to see how people live. If he ever comes I come to Jamaica like every 5 months, and he don't even know half of how people live in Jamaica. For all I'm concerned, the people in Jamaica are living better than Barry. Barry probably living in a basement over here in America right now, and then trying to criticize our Jamaican people like that. And he not... Pastor, listen to me. He's not doing good. He's not doing good here. He's only come on the radar to brag. Plus, he's not intelligent. He cannot... Every sentence he said, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know. Every time he talk to you, Pastor, I have a dance. I dance. Because when he said, he make a sentence, I go like, and then I go and say, because I know is coming, you know. I would say to Barry, he should learn to talk before he call the radio to talk and criticize our Jamaican people. He's to try and put a sentence together before he try and criticize it. Pastor, I was so caught up today when he talk about that, but I understand he's an idiot anyhow. Pastor, you don't have to say it. I will say it. Barry's an idiot. He's dumb. I don't even think he go to any school. Because a person go to school cannot talk like that. How can you talk like that when there's doctors, lawyers, judges, all these quality people in Jamaica? And you talk about there's no intelligent people in Jamaica, and he can't do the math. Pastor, I was so hungry.
All right.
But I called to tell you how this thing goes, and called to tell him that he should learn to put a sentence together before we can criticize any Jamaican people. Because most Jamaican people are very and highly intelligent. You don't know what he's saying. Pastor.
All right, you take it easy now, yeah?
I will do.
And God bless. Welcome back to Dear Pastor. I'm Dr. Dumas, your host. All right, let me take a call. Hello.
Pastor?
Yes.
How are you?
Good hearing from you.
You are all right?
Let me take
Yes, turn off your radio.
Yes. What about the chicken gonorrhea? I heard you have chicken gonorrhea?
Well, I did, yes.
Where he shoot you? Every giant. He shoot you at every giant.
Yes. What about you?
Me have a little bit of it. I never used to have any pain in my knees. But they look like they shoot me in my two knees. Now we can hardly walk. Anyway, what we want to tell you about is Barry today. I was so annoyed by Barry talking. I don't think Barry is in his right mind, I think something is wrong with his head.
Yes.
You remember his birthday with his two girls? Mm-hmm. That was what he was telling Mr. Hughes today. His two girls and his birthday and whatever it is. And all the intelligent people move and gone to America. So I don't know. I was so disgusted about what he was saying that I leave the station and go someplace else. And when I returned, Barry was still there. And I don't think he should keep Barry on so long. Did you give him time to come back 3 months probation?
Oh, yes, he did his time out there.
Yes. And I think Mr. Hughes should do the same thing to him. I don't think Barry is in his right mind. Everything is the same. And something is, he's the only intelligent person that go to high school. And he want to know what school to go to. And this college and this, that, and that. Why he must be upsetting people when he called? Do you think he have any sense? He's like a child.
Oh, boy.
He's like a child, a 6-year-old child. And I think Barry should do better than what he's doing. It really excited me today, and I was so upset that I turned off the radio, turned to another station, and when I returned, he was still there. He don't have any sense at all. I heard this man was talking about Barry, the same thing. Everybody's kind of upset with Barry. He don't have no sense. Thank you, sir. God bless you here.
You're doing all right with your health?
Oh, eh?
Your health is in good shape?
No, I don't think so. I really don't think so. I don't know if it's a chicken gunman shoot me in my knees or whatever it is me have. I don't think so. But God is good to me.
Yeah.
You take care of yourself.
God bless you too.
I hug you about 3 times,
You hug me about 3 times?
I hug you in my church 1 time. I hug you in the supermarket 1 time. And I hug you at a reception another time. 3 times.
Well, next time you identify yourself.
I come and buy the miracle water at your place, I bought 6 bottles of the miracle water at your place, and I did give you another hug. I don't remember if I did kiss you at that time.
Well, this time make sure you kiss me then. All right, darling, love you.
Take care of yourself.
You too, bye-bye.
I love you, man.
Yeah, right, me too.
Yes, bye.
Bye-bye. Let me take another call, please. Hello?
Pastor.
Yes.
I got to call you back. You know, I got the best of both worlds. You know, I got baseball and dear pastor. Giants just win, pastor.
Oh, yes?
Yeah, 7-1. Kansas City Royal 1, Giants 7.
What you saying to me?
Exactly, that's what I mean. They went into the sea of blue and they beat them up badly. Bad, pastor.
So you're happy?
I'm always happy, but you know, it's a little, I'm happier. Pastor, you have two riffraff that call your show. You need to get rid of them somehow.
Oh.
Barry and Richie. Let me tell you something, Pastor. If they want to do something, come home, like how me spend like 60-something years of foreign. Come home, come suffer with the Jamaican people. Then you can talk. Back it up.
Yeah.
Like where Pana said, back it up. Since you want to stay in America and Canada and England, come down here and be with the people. Then you can talk. Nobody ain't going to bother me because I finally am here. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, I can mingle with the people and I can say what I want to say, but I come home. And if I want to go back, no problem. They say, welcome home, Mr. B, when you come to the airport. You understand?
Yes.
But they just stay up there and just talk. They want to fix Jamaica from Boston. From Boston, they want to fix Jamaica. And they're the two biggest riffraff that's listening to your program.
You think so?
I call it. And Pastor, the way they talk, you remember the other night I told you Barry needs a speech therapist because whenever you're going to hold a conversation and you go around the corner about your arm, and you don't know nothing. If I had known, I wouldn't be talking to you. I want to learn. I want to learn something.
Well, anybody is free to call the show.
Yeah.
But we want people to make valuable contributions.
Quality.
Yeah, man.
You know, even if we're running some jokes sometimes.
Oh, yeah.
Because, you know, that's a joke. You know, if you can't take the joke, get out of the kitchen. Sometimes it's just a joke.
Yeah.
But most time it's very serious. You know when to run a joke.
Oh, yeah, man.
These guys not running no joke. They crap. Excuse me.
All right. Take it easy.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Let me take another call. Hello.
Oh, dear Pastor, how you doing?
Oh, trying my best, man.
Yeah, very good. I was trying to listen to your program last night, but no program at all.
Because of the holiday.
Oh, okay. I see. Regarding your topic there, you know, different levels of people, you know, based on what is given, you know, in the family-wise. Because, you know, as the saying goes in Jamaica, you can't make blood out of stone. The parents don't have enough money to send them to school, then they just can't go, or they probably go hungry, you know. So you can't expect everybody to be on the same level, you know. But the principal way, as I know it, if you people who could afford it, and say for example they have a daughter, or that daughter may have a granddaughter, you know, they're offered something. They're offered money. You know, they could manage themselves to get certificates and say for example middle class or upper middle class or higher, and somebody want to bribe them, offer them something, some money, you know, and they won't even take it. They say, what are you trying to do? You know, I don't need it, you know. You have to give it to me. Yeah, they refuse it because they know the repercussions, you know.
Yeah.
What's behind it, because the masses, as it's called, you know, they think a certain way, you know. I'm not trying to say, categorize myself, but say most people, they are what people call masses. They they like in terms of the man, he gives some money to help, and they expect something, in return.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because there's nothing for free in this world, There's always opportunity cost. Always a cost to an opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
You get some money from somebody. It's not, a man walk up and give you something for free. It's not totally for free. He's going to expect something in return. Opportunity cost. So, therefore, a person who can afford it, you say no to somebody who's giving you some money because you know that the person has a motive. They want to, exchange it. Exchanging money for some, maybe love or some attention. Most time a man give money and expect the woman to reciprocate and give back some loving, So it is incumbent on her, if she could afford it, refuse the money because of the repercussions. But if she cannot afford it, if she don't have the parents or a family member or a distant family member to give her money for basic subsistence, then she have no other route, but to take something, take it from somebody and, some of the consequences. The person going to say, here is $3,000,
Mm-hmm.
Then you got to understand that person going to want something in return for it.
Yes.
Then whether or not they would willing. Most men, they don't give money in a vacuum like that. Is that they don't give it in a vacuum unless there's an exception. If you're in a church and you go to church every Sunday, and from a religious standpoint, you don't like to mix up religion with street type of talking or everyday type of association. But in church, religion is the church is an organization. Church is an organization.
Mm-hmm.
You go to church, people help people without any strings attached from a religious standpoint. But on the street, people don't help people like that in most cases without a strings attached. So if they want to offer something and they can afford, like I said, don't take it, Don't take it because of the strings and the repercussions, So, it's different variables at different, economic levels.
All right. Well, I've given you a long run. I got to go because I have to take the break now.
You have a good night.
Thank you very much.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
To Power 106 FM. The time is now.
It's now 11 o'clock. Welcome back to Their Pastime, Dr. Dumas. Let me take a call. Hello.
Hi, good night, Pastor.
Hey, and how you do?
I just thank the Lord. I'm here alive and well. I left a message for you today. I don't have a sector, I give it to you.
Well, that's all right. Whatever she would let me have. Sometimes the list is long enough.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And Pastor Barry, what Barry said, there's no intelligent people in Jamaica. He's wrong.
You heard it?
Sir?
Did you hear the show?
Yes, I did.
Mm-hmm. And he really said that?
Sir?
He really said that, eh?
Yes, man, he did. He did. What he's telling me that you're not intelligent? Sir, he should not say that thing like that.
Mm.
But bygone to bygone.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Pastor, the topic, it's a bit typical, but let me tell you this. Women and girls don't supposed to take money from men under that circumstance. I was there last week. I'm going to tell you what me heard a girl said. Any man get money, she not afraid to take it. Because when she tell them she don't want nobody, she not look them and them post them money upon her, she take it. And if she have $500 phone care upon her phone, she take it.
Yeah.
And she not afraid, she asks him for money saying because I'm a girl. But anytime he want to go out with her, she tell him to wait for them off the tree, park and wait for them off the tree. And when he call up her phone, him that off the tree, she make sure she not answer, she lock off her phone.
Look at that, eh?
Yes. And the next day she call, she make sure tell him that she never feel good. And her phone drop somewhere in the house and she can't find it. And she couldn't leave out her ear no do. So she can't come. So me say, many earth tell them really when I take them money, you know. And I get them a 60 and 9. She said she make sure say when she meet him anywhere, she meet him in a public place. Well, a lot of people there.
Yes.
That mean him can't wear nothing and she not go with him gone away.
She not taking chances.
No, she make sure that a Burger King and them place there. We let the people and the security everybody there. And when she get the money, she can't home because she attempts to she go bed and get dressed and come back and leave him sit down there. And if him be so pass on this road, she make sure she don't walk on this road again.
Finish with that.
She take the other road and go around.
What nonsense is that?
And then serious about it, you know.
Yes.
Him say, I saw them meet out, man. So a guy who was here say, somebody said to him, say, everybody eat you out too. So him say, me don't know about that. So the guy say, because you know something. Because it seems like him attack to a close family of that individual. Him say, him stop getting money.
Are you serious?
Yes. Him say him stop getting money, now get no more money. And him call her phone even until I said, don't call back him phone.
He doesn't want to hear.
No. And I spoke with the girl about 2 days after that I saw her. And she passed him and doing the same thing. And I asked her, what's the problem? And she tell me. And then I tell her, Prince, I'm afraid to take the man money. And you give it to them, they must take it. Because them don't make themselves plain and straight to you. And if they are forced on the money, they're not afraid to take it.
They're not afraid to take it.
Yes. That I go and with them young people.
But I know they don't have any limit.
No, sir. Anything you give to them from it's reasonable, they must take it. Yeah, the bigger one tell me, sir.
What?
She called a man about a year ago. Because the man want to have something going with her and she decides to say no. And him still force himself a gear 5,000, 10,000. And she just called him 1 week until her say, when our grandfather died, and the grandfather died long ago, and she go on 9-night, go help set up the 9-night and whatever. And she wants $70,000.
70?
Yes. To buy rum and buy beer and whatever. And in our country. And she and her family go because the man want to come. And the man get the money come here, and from that man get the money. She changed her phone number. Change her phone number.
Boy, I tell you something. So he can't get a hold of her at all?
Can't get a hold of her. And she make sure go wear new kids and go collect the money from him. Because she told him she's in that era. And that's where he work in that era. And she go in a taxi and come back in a taxi.
Well, I tell you what, we have a long way to go.
Yes, sir.
And we have to teach our young people.
That is true.
You know, and they have to grow up.
Yes.
Understanding what family life is all about.
Mm-hmm. It's not good enough. They will get hurt.
Mm-hmm.
They will get hurt one of a day. They may just eventually buck up on that person. And it's something different. All right, Pastor, I keep on listening, but my radio going off and on.
All right, God be with you, man.
I don't know what happened to my radio. It's going off and on. The station, I don't know.
Don't know either.
All right, brother, you take care.
God be with you. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much, brother.
Bye. Take another call. Hello.
Hey, Pastor.
Uh-huh.
How are you, man?
I'm doing all right. You sound like my army friend.
You've been around a couple of times. Right?
Oh, no. Well, Chaman, you say hello, and that's all you said. You asked how I'm doing. But now I know. It's my friend taking care of his mommy. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I can't forget you because I have to remember you in prayer, man. That's blessing going to follow you for what you're doing for your mother.
Thanks, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, Pastor. Before I touch the topic, I just go by some of the inspiration I get because I didn't hear Mr. Bird today.
Mm-hmm.
I only hear what the people are saying. But, you know, I just tell you some of the things that come to my mind when the people I'm calling.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like, I'm sure you have heard this story. I say, you know, the first story in a pig pen and
Yes.
Yeah, so a lot of those people who take an environment, they're upset. I think the stone has reached them, you know, like in Twincan out there, and, you know, it reached a lot of people who are in that category, so it hurts them because I don't let the truth hurt me.
Yeah.
You know. But what I realize that most of the people that Barry talks to are the ones, he's describing the people that he talks to who they are. You know, but he hasn't talked to all Jamaicans, that's for sure.
No.
You know, but so that is the only mistake I think he made is that describing the majority of the people that less black hair is in that category. You know, but I could agree with him too if he had said 50%. You know, because a lot of the people that I've met that talk with and try to teach my trade, they're not quick at learning. You know, and they're lacking the reasoning abilities. Like that part of them has not been developed, the faculty of knowing and reasoning to understand certain things. I think them cost too much bad word in the past.
Yes.
Quarrel too much, you know, instead of learning the meaning of words and so forth that you can speak intelligently when you're talking to others. So instead of leaving to your own understanding and putting meaning to words, we don't really know the real true meaning. So I went into a worry for that, you know. So
yeah.
And then it makes it difficult for the other person to get along because when they tell him to do something, do the opposite to what they tell him. You know? So I figure Barry, I probably run into a lot of those kinds of people. So he's just categorizing or generalizing that, you know, everybody is the same because of those people that he meets. Anyway, away with him. Now to your topic.
Yes.
You know, one of the things that came to my mind while you were talking, I lived with a girl when I lived in Canada for a year, and she wanted me to marry her. So she was giving me a year. I passed her.
So she gave me a year?
Yeah. To get to know her. And we lived together. And everything that girl gave me after I decided, because when we sit down to talk, she always cry every time I talk to her. I can't reason back with me, so I told her I'm not going to marry her because she's too weak. And she said me have to give her back everything what she gave me. So, I'm glad that thought she was joking.
No. So here men are giving women money.
Yeah.
And this lady gave you some money.
Yeah, because the time when I meet her, I wasn't working.
That's right.
Yeah. So.
But then now she asked you back for the money.
Yeah, she said everything that she gave me, man, she wanted back. So I told her to count it up. You know, add up how much
And you should give her back.
Well, yeah, when she done, she said she owe me $300. And then she decided, well, why she don't calculate? So I said no, because it was that fall on the other side that I had to give her the $200. I'd have to give it to her. So I want my $200. And she eventually gave it to me because she was so serious. But I know it's not only men who want something from, you know, either. It's both parties work the same way. When most people give you anything, there's always a motive behind it. Not all, and I cannot speak for all, because when I give people things out of need that I see that they need, I just give to them and go on, because I know that the Lord says, I see what you do in secret and I'll openly reward you. So I can remember one friend that I helped early on in life. I was looking back something and came and said, boy, watch out. The people you help, I help you, you know. They don't look to me back for anything because you help me. I thought to myself that it would have been really nice if one and was watching each other. We would have lived in a better world. So, you know, but different folks, different strokes, you know, Pastor. You know, everybody ain't the same, so.
Yeah.
And majority of the people, you just don't have to just deal with them and control their thinking.
Yes.
Because, yeah, everybody don't think the same way, but you'll find a lot of people think negative, really.
All right.
It's still a whole lot of good.
Yeah, man. You take care now, yeah?
All right, bless.
And God bless you. Let me take the break.
Okay.
You're listening to Power 106 FM. The time is now
15 minutes after 11.
600 points? $600 towards my bill? Thank woo.
You're welcome, hon.
Not you, my woo.
Yo, woo? Who you talking about?
W, as in my Western Union, silly.
Introducing My Woo, your way to rewards. Every time you send money with Western Union, you earn My Woo points. Points that you can use to top up your cell phone, pay bills, and get discounts off Western Union transactions. My Woo, your new My Woo card is waiting for you. Sign up and get yours today. Western Union, moving money for better.
Kingston Bridal Week is back and bigger than ever. On October 12th, the Hope Garden Historical Entrance will be transformed into the enchanted bridal forest. Come and see Jamaica's leading bridal vendors, dress designers, and culinary experts in one venue. Bring the kids and men. We have something for everyone. Brides who register at KingstonBridalWeek.com get in for free. Only $500 to get in. See the Jamaica Observer for details. Special thanks to Petals and Promises, Phoenix Printery, Hope Gardens, Vantage One, the Jamaica Observer, and Print 24/7.
Manchester celebrates 200 years of existence. Tune into Power 106 FM when we commemorate this phenomenal milestone during Joan Williams Online on Friday, October 24. Live from the Home Garden and Farm Private Mini Park, Coffee Grove, Ellen Street, Manchester, as we continue to take a look at the history, growth, and development of the parish. This broadcast is brought to you in part by Home Garden and Farm Private Mini Park, Manchester's newest attraction, Horton's Pharmacy, Lawrence Brothers Boots and Shoes Hospital, ABC Electrical Sales, and Ink Tech Plus. That's a live broadcast of Joan Williams Online celebrating Manchester's 200th anniversary from the Home Garden and Farm Private Mini Park, Coffee Grove, Ellen Street, Manchester, Friday, October 24, right here on Power 106 FM.
Hustlers and their schemes.
Both sides of the story. Hamilton Knight Associates Limited presents its 12th Careers and Lifestyles Expo Symposium and Job Fair on Wednesday, October 22, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Join us on Power 106 FM during Both Sides of the Story for live coverage of this expo. This broadcast is brought to you by Hamilton Knight Associates Limited and Home and Things. That's Both Sides of the Story, live from the 12th Careers and Lifestyles Expo Symposium and Job Fair at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel, Wednesday, October 22, right here on Power 106 FM.
Both Sides of the Story.
For a girl or a woman to take money from men with whom they are not having intimate relationships. Let me take a call. Hello.
Hello, Pastor.
Uh-huh.
Was Eros Day?
Oh, I had a good time.
But I have this to say to all the heroes who are alive and who has passed.
224 112 9224 113. Nine two two four 114 9224 115. Let me take a call. Hello.
Number one.
Uh-huh.
Why I call back to you? What I really call about is, you try to help the family member.
Yes.
And some of us never make use of it and blow it. Well, I talked it already, but I will repeat myself again. February coming is 3 years you bring a lady coming out and call her name. And 20 people never go on board. But I know if them did go on board, I know that some of them wouldn't fare big. They would be able to help them, go and get a little money. Because right now, the same night when a lady come, the same week I go get on board. And tomorrow, if I was to go to the office there now, and I said, well, I need some money, then would have said to me, say, I'm going to say, what is your name? They must say, what's your name? Jamaica taught me, I taught no number one. They say, my name is John Brown also. Them say, all right, sit down there, so I sit down there, so. And them going to say, go up on the computer. And them say, how much you want? And we say, well, then I might say, well, I want X amount. Like, how much so? So give me 100,000, And, well, sit down. In the space of 20 minutes or 50, make it 100,000 step out and go my way,
Yes.
So, I would like to bring her back, And
I have even spoken to them already.
Yes.
And the idea here, is to help our people.
Yes, but sorry.
No, but so you can say it. And some people, let me tell you something now.
Yeah.
At the moment you talk about professionals and encourage people to plan for their future, they talk about who will rob them from who will rob them.
But it's some negative people come on the radio was talking and people believe them. You see, there are some people, them used to be misled, If a negative person come out or something, them say yes, because even with the chicken gun there, what they call it, chicken V. One fool make many. Mere people say car must be plane crash in a Portland, and some of the fool people, them have it and say yes, plane crash. They must try to think for themselves.
And that is where the big struggle is on,
Yes. So what I'm saying now, if he come back now, some of them could get on board, and can help themselves because, even one like a smaller put for rainy day or and get something. Because I get on board if me tomorrow I want, so
you can go and get,
when I go there, I don't believe what's not even half what I'm going to spend. Friend, so what is your name? My son name John Brown, and so. All right, sit down there, so. And I sit down, and go up on the computer and space and maybe say less than half hour. How much you want? I said, I want 100,000, I want 50,000, how much I want. We get the money, I'm going my ways.
And it's your money?
It's my money. So, I don't know, but after we come back next night.
Okay, my friend.
And I'm going to say, when people went play stupid people. Okay, is that a call back?
God bless.
All right, take care.
Hello.
Yeah, Pastor. You know what I talk to you and you cut me off. I know.
9224112. 9224-113. 9224-114. 9224-115. Take a call. Hello, welcome to the Pastor. Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, Pastor, good night. Yeah, man, this is my first time calling your show, you know.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, but I listen to you every night, Pastor.
And I thank you very much.
Yes, man, I listen to you every night. And tonight I don't get to hear your topic because I'm out on the road. Tonight is my daughter's birthday, so I took her out.
Oh, wonderful. Happy birthday to her. How old is she?
She's 19 now, you know, doctor, but well behaved, so I always...
No, man, you have to take care of her, yes.
Yes, man. She behaved good at school and very well, so I just keep in touch with her. And
what she wants to be?
She wants to be in the security force, you know. Yeah, man, she
likes that.
Off to hit now, looking forward for call and things like that. Yes, sir.
All right. Well, I wish her well.
Yes.
Now
sir,
let me tell you the topic.
Yes, sir.
Is it proper for girls or women to take money from men with whom they are not having intimate relationships? In other words, these girls not having an intimate relationship, but it's taking money from men.
Oh, well, Pastor, pertaining to your topic, I don't think so, you know, because in a world like this today, you know, men gonna look forward, look for things in return as well. So if they don't into the men like that, I don't think they should take money from them, you know, Pastor. No, unless because any woman with good thinking would consider that. Yes, Pastor. I think they shouldn't take it if they are not into the men then. Yes.
Not wise.
No, it's not wise. I don't think it's a wise thing. What do you think, Pastor?
No, but why you don't think it's wise?
Because, you know, these men nowadays, you know, Pastor, some of them vicious and wicked, you know. Yes, man, and if the women them take their money, they will lead up to even killing them, you know. Yes, in the long run, if they don't get what they want, they will kill them, man, because you have yourself know the world run like that. We don't want it like that, and we're not praying for it in that way, but then you know it work like that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Thank you very much for the call tonight.
Yes, Pastor, and I will call now and then. The reason why I don't call you sometime, the phone don't pick up down in my location in South Manchester, you know.
Okay.
Down in the Mali Hill area. We don't have good signal down there.
All right. So whenever you can call, you call.
Yes, man, and you know Buzz Rock, they will call you sometime.
Yes.
We long to see you down. We want to see you down at the South there one time to, you know, sir.
And you know, if I say that I give away certain things, but I don't give up on that as yet.
Yes, man. If I even anywhere in a Cross Keys area or Salmon Town or anywhere where we can come enjoy one night with you, man.
All right.
Because me listen to you like every night, you know, every single night. All in the holiday, I turn on the radio just to pray for you. Come on, I never remember say a holiday, but you know what? Fool me sometime.
Yes, no problem.
Yes, Pastor.
God bless you.
Yeah, man. Thanks for listening to me now.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Look at that. Is it proper for girls, young women, to take money from men with whom they do not have an intimate relationship. Is a wise thing? Let me check on something here. Nine 166 929 411 2 929 4113 929 4114 and 929 4115. May I take a call? Hello? Hello, welcome to dear Pastor.
Dear Pastor?
Yes.
Yeah, the light on it.
Let's just take the break, please.
You're listening to Power 106 FM. The time is now.
It is now 29 and a half minutes to midnight.
Actually, to women do it because they want to get a leg over.
Yes.
So it's no really hard and fast, cut and dry, yes or no answer.
Yes.
It depends on the individuals and the situation. Because sometimes a man will give a woman a money and then they will see her again for the rest of them lives. So, but there are some again which you cannot.
And here's it, Ras. Sometimes years and years would pass, and you're somewhere. You don't even remember the person. You don't even remember the occasion. And person captain said to you, so and so and so. And sometimes your children benefited. You see, your children looks like you, and that person said, what a man, what a girl, what a boy, such a person. Say, yes, he's my father. Him say, say one time I was in such a situation, and it's that man who helped me. And that child probably at that said moment probably even need some direction. Yes. And that's how they benefited. So it's not a hard and cut yes or no, because the man must want to return. But these topics are something that you have to look into very carefully, otherwise you might not get the gist. And believe me, Ras, I try, to make people think, critically. Yeah. That's true, man. And man. These topics are nothing less than to help people's mind to develop the ability to think critically. And to assess the thing before you even say anything. That's right. Sometimes you say something, sometimes a person will come and say something, I say, so me never even look on it away. That's exactly. Because you didn't spend enough time to even think on how the question is asked. Yes. And how it can be answered. Yeah. But give thanks again, my brother. And thank you so much for the call. Okay. Good. May I take another? Hello.
Good night, dear Pastor. I'm accredited.
She doesn't have any credits. Oh, my. I'm so sorry about that. 9224-112, 9224-113, 9224-114, and 9224-115. Oh my, Claudette, I'm so sorry. Here's a text. Somebody talk about they're from King David branch. I don't know what they're talking about. King David branch. What is that? 9224112 and 9224113 9224114 And somebody here said that they sent me a text asking me for help. And to do a nursing exam. Let me take a call, please. Hello.
Yes, dear Pastor. Good night, sir. I am wishing you a prosperous heritage as it pass.
You wishing me what?
Prosperous heritage.
Oh, yes?
Yes, sir, as it pass.
Yes,
I'm not really going to speak on your topic. I don't really know what the topic is about, but it's just something I wanted to say to you about this man what always calling you about number one. Yeah, what I was saying, you see, Pastor, him were always talking about him no beg and thing like those, but what I am saying, when you have something, it's not beg anybody anything. Sometimes we're in difficulty, but if you find yourself in anywhere where you can help poorer people than yourself, me promise to help as poor as I am in my little district where I am. I don't have much things, but anybody come to me and ask me for anything, me just give it to them. Pastor, sometimes if you know me survive, it's only God know how me survive. But me always been giving, and out of my giving, the Lord always bless.
The master don't have black people here, the master, the people, them are going with the chicken gun, they're not for me, them are do everything, them are come in, them are come out, them are come out, them are come in, them are come out, them are come out. They want a black people hospital, them are give them CL. Pastor, I did do what that the master, Pastor, I won't write my dog to catch it. You know, here one of my questions I make him go down the sun, the master, and say them are come in and out. And me asking, say, they were achievement. It's the fear, and me say, but wait, that's a life and death.
So what, down Black River?
Yes, sir. One of my cousins end up going on the Sunday, and he tell me, say, the situation with the chicken.
Yeah. So it's still terrible down that way?
We all about it has spread like wildfire. But Pastor, I don't know the aims and the desire, but in the further future, he promised to them because they don't want to be able to serve. If you stay one place, man, no mosquito and do all those things, Pastor, from we born me 55 years, well, you hear about mosquito and this and that. Then it's good money where they take and spray mosquitoes too. After then could have taken give them food and fear if we go do what they might do. If you understand the situation I'm talking about. Yes, sir, but the topic, you know, Pastor, if me have a little hand to mouth, I go a business, I don't have me, well, then a $1,500 me get, and 3 women or 3 men to come and say, boy, them hungry and then this and then that, and me should give cheese money. Out of the $2,000 now, me should give $500, $500, $1,500, that gone, you know, just end up with $500 left in my pocket. Me, Pastor, eat up sorry for Margaret dog, they nip you too hot to your sir. Not even $1 me not sorry for them, but their mother and their father take up the responsibility for that. I don't respond to people in a situation.
Now let me ask you, you don't look like you want to take care of any woman at all.
Pastor, what do you mean, Pastor? My son 35 years, my son they are England, Pastor. What me just supposed to run down with that woman now without tell me him I go me give him $100 now and me him over by rice I want pound of flour out of it and go cook and eat, you know, and him want go eat the whole pound of flour, whole $100 meat. Then she don't want to boy, a woman all over making go to William Galam too. No, Pastor, me lock them the gate there. Everybody have to do something for yourself. Come on for you what have you man and turn up the salesman and look at job man, I look at work man, I look hand to mouth basket man. You will have me, we have it. Somebody else, you can't just depend on the government like that. I depend on another man, I depend on you, the pastor. You hear how much time hold you for them, I call them, Pastor, I want help. We have 3 people and the father can't left them. But the father there, in underwater, are we under the earth, that thing can't come out? I mean, under the radio station can't carry it. That's where them boy, big time, have you there, such and such a place, you need it.
Radio station can't carry what they don't know.
Yeah?
Radio station cannot carry what they don't know.
Them are here, then I hear me everything I talk about Pastor to the end of the day, it could argument shot when the Amagidian soon done, you know, but at the longest liver, we see the most in everything, sir. The longest liver and the clean liver.
Alright, call me tomorrow.
Okay, a long time in the car.
Alright, call me tomorrow.
Last night, but we not hear nothing. Don't have up on the radio still, you know. For 106 chip, but for Saturday night, we not hear nothing. Not good since morning. Me hear to some Tuesday morning.
Alright, I'll report that tomorrow.
Thank you very much, and I will call you back again.
That brings us to the end of our program for today. I want to thank you for listening. Thank you for calling. Thank my good friend Jamaica for working with me tonight. And in the will of the Lord, I'll be back on Wednesday, approximately 9 p.m., and we'll do another show. So wherever you are, you take good care of yourself and may God watch over you.